The big thing that's helped us out most is Inspire. So that really came into the market. We looked at it when it first started and we weren't quite ready, right? We had a lot of work to do before we got there, but we ended up taking a second look at it because we saw the value in what AI could bring to the table. We launched in June and we probably overhauled about 50 to 60 attributes so far. We're just getting started and we're seeing 70 to 80%, even 90% accuracy rates with the GPT-4 models. When in the past few weeks, GPT-5 was launched, we're getting those attribute values with accuracy rates of 95% plus in our early testing on that stuff. So as far as what we can do in the future with this, I mean, it's just an absolute game changer. Our speed to market is faster, our data is getting better. And again, really, it takes three things I think to accomplish in the e-commerce space and to be good at product information management. You have to have great technology, you have to have great people, and you have to have great partnerships. And that's really what we found with Inriver.